In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add forms on Fresha so you can collect important client information like intake details, consent, or feedback. Start by logging into your Fresha account and heading to your dashboard. From there, open your booking profile settings where you can customize what clients see. Next, you'll need to create your form. The easiest way is with tools like Google Forms, JotForm, or Fillout. Simply build your form with the questions you need, whether it's client details, treatment consent, or custom feedback. And then copy the share link. Now go back to Fresha and paste that link into your booking profile description or any available form field option. This way, clients can access and complete the form directly when they book. And that's it. You've successfully added forms to Fresha, making your booking process smoother and more professional.